Hey guys, I'm Ethan Moore from Stockholm Supply. My wife is actually making a sign this year's. It's some glued up pine, and this is just a really good opportunity for me to show you something else the Flatmaster does really well. A lot of you guys have seen the Flatmaster sand wide faces like this, but something that's a little bit lesser known, but a lot of people do use the Flatmaster for, and it works really well, is as a edge sander. Like this here. So a lot of you guys are familiar with like a belt sander that's set up as an edge sander. They work fine. Couple really cool things about the Flatmaster I'll just mention here, especially on like a raised panel door where you have end grain and face grain, two different hardnesses. On a belt sander, that can be hard to achieve a level surface because of those two different hardnesses. You might remove a little bit more from the style here. The cool thing about the Flatmaster, you're going to remove the same amount of material regardless of the hardness. So if there was a notch or something in there, it wouldn't be a problem. The other thing that's kind of neat, I haven't set it up to do this right now, but you got this fence that will move along the Flatmaster table. If I put multiple grits on there, like coarse, medium, fine, you could sand this without changing the sandpaper all the way out to a finish. So the fence though, I've made a video on this in the past, I'll link it up top. I have it set up so that they're stacked together. That makes it twice as tall. So that makes it a nice tall fence that a piece like that will support nicely against. So when you're going to edge sand something, it's pretty simple. This is what I'm going to do. So the goal here, you just want to be able to keep that nice and flush up against that fence. So you guys can see what I've done there. That was done with a 150 grit, so one pass did a really good job. It didn't make a difference with those little splines in that glue. It just sanded that. So then I can go ahead and sand my face. So yeah, something that a lot of guys don't do but could. You could use it as an edge sander. So if anybody else has any questions, you can email me at info@stockholmsupply.com or just comment on the video. And if you guys want to see future videos, please subscribe. Thank you very much.